learning is hard work. We're in an environment today where people may be willing to work hard. I don't doubt that. But they have a very, very hard time concentrating for 8 hours or 6 hours. And really in an 8-hour class, like when you and I were teaching at Video Symphony, a company that's no longer with us, I'm afraid to say, at the end of 6 hours, you could see that the lights were out. They were there physically, but the brain was full. So the last 2 hours of the class was really just stuff that if they didn't remember it, nobody was going to worry. It was lighthearted. It was fun. It was sort of filling the time with interesting stuff, but nothing that they were required to remember. The heavy lifting was all the first 4 hours. I'm going to St. Louis, Florida. St. Louis is not in Florida. I'm going to somewhere to give a speech at some point in July, and that's going to be an 8-hour day of training in video editing. And there, it has to be 8 hours because people are only there for a day. They can't afford longer hotel stays. I mean, there they are forced to get all that done. But where possible, I would have training be 2 or 3 hours and allow people to absorb it rather than be bludgeoned with it.